Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to view all invoices in QuickBooks Online. If you want to view all invoices in QuickBooks Online, there are a few different ways to access them depending on whether you want a simple list view, filtered results, or a detailed report. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and land on the main dashboard. The most direct way to view all invoices is through the Sales section. From the left-hand navigation menu, click on Apps, and from that, click on Sales and Get Paid. Once inside the Sales tab, click on Invoices. This opens the main invoice list page. Here, you'll see every invoice that has been created in your company file, including paid, unpaid, overdue, and draft invoices. At the top of the page, you'll notice filter options. You can filter by status, all, open, overdue, paid, draft, date range, and batch action. If your goal is to truly see all invoices without restriction, make sure the status filter is set to all and the date range is set to all dates. This ensures that no invoices are hidden due to filtering. You can select any of the invoices and go to the batch actions and choose whether you want to send, print, or delete. Click on the Settings button on the right to modify the content, amount of rows, and columns. For example, you can add columns for due date, balance, or invoice number. If you suspect an invoice is missing, double-check that it hasn't been deleted or voided. You can review audit history by going to Settings, the gear icon, then Audit Log. From there, filter by transaction type and look for invoices. You can also view or receive payment from that invoice. Lastly, make sure you understand the difference between invoices and sales receipts. Sometimes users think invoices are missing when they were actually recorded as sales receipts instead. By using the Sales/Invoices tab for list view, the Report/Invoice list for reporting view, and the Customer section for individual history, you can efficiently access and review all invoices in QuickBooks Online. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.